Have you ever had a hobby that felt so natural, so pure, that time simply evaporated whenever you indulge in it? Now, imagine if that hobby could also fill your bank account. Picture a quiet afternoon spent painting, knitting, or tinkering with vintage electronics, suddenly transformed into a pathway to wealth. This is not a fairy tale. It's a revolution in how we view our passions and our prosperity. I remember a friend of mine, Alex, who had always been obsessed with vintage comic books. For years, his collection gathered dust in the attic, a nostalgic reminder of his youth. But one day, a rare issue from the golden age of comics caught the eye of a collector online, selling for thousands of dollars. That one unexpected sale sparked an idea. Why not monetize the hobby he loved? Today, Alex curates, authenticates, and even creates content around rare comics, turning what was once a personal joy into a flourishing business. His story isn't unique. Across the globe, people are transforming everyday interests into streams of income, proving that your hobby might be the key to building wealth. Consider the case of Lisa, an amateur baker who once shared her creations on a small blog for fun. Her intricately designed cupcakes and artisanal bread soon captured the hearts of locals and foodies online. What started as a weekend passion evolved into a subscription service for custom baked goods, complete with engaging online tutorials and behind-the-scenes baking secrets. Lisa's journey shows that monetizing a hobby doesn't always mean abandoning your creative spirit. It means amplifying it, sharing it with the world, and finding those customers who are willing to pay for quality and authenticity. The beauty of monetizing your hobbies is that it allows you to escape the drudgery of a conventional 9 to 5 while doing something you genuinely love. It's about harnessing the skills you already have, whether you're into photography, gardening, crafting, or even gaming. When you invest time into perfecting a craft, you're also building expertise and trust. And in today's digital era, platforms like YouTube, Etsy, Patreon, and even Instagram make it easier than ever to connect with a global audience willing to pay for your passion. It's fascinating how unconventional income streams can open up when you think outside the box. For instance, imagine an avid birdwatcher who has developed an encyclopedic knowledge of rare species. Instead of simply jotting down observations in a journal, they could write an ebook or create an online course, offering insights into bird behavior, photography techniques, and conservation efforts. By combining passion with knowledge, they not only satisfy their love for nature, but also create a recurring revenue stream. The world is full of enthusiasts who are willing to learn from someone who lives and breathes their hobby. And that's where the real opportunity lies. Monetizing hobbies is more than a financial strategy. It's a lifestyle choice. It's about aligning your work with your interests so that every day feels like a creative adventure rather than a monotonous grind. When you turn a hobby into a business, you're essentially inviting joy and prosperity into your life simultaneously. Take, for example, the art of woodworking. A talented craftsman might start by creating custom furniture for friends and family. Over time, word spreads, and orders come in from across the region. Eventually, the hobby blossoms into a reputable brand, with products featured in upscale magazines and showrooms. This evolution from casual pastime to profitable enterprise is a testament to the power of passion when it meets entrepreneurial spirit. There's also an element of community and connection that can amplify the impact of monetizing your hobbies. When you share your work online, you're not just selling a product or a service. You're inviting others into your world. This fosters an engaged audience that supports you not only through purchases, but through feedback, collaboration, and shared enthusiasm. Whether it's a YouTube channel offering DIY tutorials, a blog with detailed how-to guides, or an Instagram account filled with inspiring images, the relationship you build with your followers can transform a simple hobby into a vibrant ecosystem of creativity and commerce. Of course, the journey isn't without challenges. Turning a passion into profit often means stepping out of your comfort zone and learning new skills, marketing, customer service, even basic accounting. There will be moments of doubt and setbacks that make you question whether the risk is worth the reward. But every setback is an opportunity to learn and grow, to refine your approach and discover what truly resonates with your audience. The key is to view these challenges not as obstacles, but as stepping stones towards a more fulfilling and prosperous future. Imagine the adrenaline rush of launching your first online store for handmade jewelry, or the quiet satisfaction of watching your blog post about urban gardening go viral. Each milestone, no matter how small, reinforces the belief that you're on the right path. And as your audience grows, so does your impact, both financially and personally. You're not just earning money, you're building a legacy, creating something that reflects who you are and what you stand for. There's an undeniable magic when your passion meets opportunity, a spark that can ignite a chain reaction of creativity and wealth. It's about being bold enough to take that first step, even if it means risking failure. Because when you do, you open yourself up to a world where your hobbies are more than just leisure activities. They become the foundation of your financial freedom and personal fulfillment. So, as you reflect on your own hobbies, ask yourself, what if that passion could pay the bills, fund your dreams, and even provide a cushion for the future? It's time to challenge the conventional idea of work, to break free from the notion that you have to sacrifice your interests for a paycheck. Instead, embrace the possibility that your passion is the most powerful tool in your wealth-building arsenal. The secret is to monetize what you love, to nurture it with creativity and persistence, and to let it flourish into a thriving source of income. In the end, building wealth by monetizing your hobbies is about more than making money. It's about living a life that feels rich in every sense. It's a reminder that your unique interests and talents are valuable, that your creativity can be a source of endless opportunity. So dare to dream big, take the leap, and watch as your hobbies transform into a pathway to prosperity. The adventure is just beginning, and the rewards are waiting for those brave enough to pursue them with passion and determination.